everybody, welcome to my new Scar Oscar my Music and Files. Welcome and thank you for tuning in. Okay, if you want to see these cash envelopes made, please stay tuned. Hello everybody. Okay, so we have the cash envelopes here, and basically I'm going to show you how I made my cash envelopes. I basically had a regular envelope, all right, that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and this is the label, this is the envelopes, and this is the Paper Studio, and it was $2.99. You can get whatever envelope you want, if you want any other color, or you just want a regular envelope, but I wanted to be fancy and get this, okay? So that's basically it about that. So the results are going to look as such. You guys have seen in my other videos that they look like this, and I put this in my mini planner here. As you guys can see, I have dog care, groceries, and things of that sort, okay? So these are my cash envelopes. I also showed it on Instagram. If you're not following me, please follow me at Charmaine7. All right, so this is the easier way to do it, and then I'm going to show you how to make an envelope, and this is what the envelope looks like. If you want to get really fancy and creative, this is what I made. I made this envelope here, okay, with a different type of paper, but I will be making it with this paper, I believe, because I can't find any other paper right now, so I'm going to use what is closest to me. But we're going to do the easiest one first. If you're not that creative and if you're in a rush and you want to hurry up and make your cash envelopes, and if you're anxious to make your cash envelopes, this is what you would do, okay? So you don't have to be doing all that. And also, if you want to be extra fancy, if you want to have some more creativity, these are some letters and some numbers that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. You can purchase it from anywhere else that may be to your liking, to your budget, but this is what I purchased, and I purchased this when I first started my budgeting, okay? All right, and also you're going to need some type of puncher, and this puncher is the Agenda 52 puncher, and it is set to the holes that I have to punch to put it in, so I can line it up to put it into the into my mini planner. You can adjust it to however such, but this is what you'll need. You don't need exactly this. They have other ones, but since it was Agenda 52, I was like, let me get this. So this is the hole puncher for that, and I purchased this from Hobby Lobby as well, okay? All right, so we're gonna get started. So this is what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna start with some washi tape. Now, it's off the roll, so don't judge me, y'all, okay? Please. Do not judge me, okay? So let me get this together. All right, hold on. I'm about to. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna take off the wrinkle part. All right. So first, we're going to start off with putting the tape here like this. How I have it. All right. And this is what I'll do. Okay. So I'm gonna measure it off first to see how long it is. And then I'm going to cut it, okay, and then I'm going to place it on there. So we're going to speed this up a little bit so you guys won't be bored. All right, so now you have your washi tape here, and it's very nicely aligned, okay? I hope it doesn't look crooked. Now we're gonna put letters here. Now I'm trying to figure out what letters do I have available, okay? So I wanna do my planner supply. So let me see if I got a P. So we got a P here, and let me see if I got a capital P. A capital P, L, A, N, N. Where's the E? Okay, so we might have to do capitals. Okay, so let's see. All right, so we're gonna have to use capital letters because if I use any lowercase, I don't have everything to do. So we're going to apply this onto here, and so we can know what the category is. So here we go. Now, okay, hopefully it'll go through, and here it is. We're gonna line it up a little bit. It's already lined up, but I just like to make sure it's a little bit here. Okay, there we go. There go the holes. They look a little bit scary. You guys know I don't like holes. And then we're going to put it on in here. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. Okay, move out a little bit, and voila. Oh Lord, I spelled supply wrong. I forgot the L. Wait, hold on. Okay, there we go. Planner supply. Okay, I spelled it wrong before. That's why the holes are already there. So I punched already with the hole puncher. I apologize. So this is how it is. I placed it. I'm going to place it in here. All right. I don't know how I'm supposed to apply wrong. I'm trying to hurry up. All right, there it is. Planner supply. Bam. Okay, so now I have my envelope here. And that's basically it about that, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna do another one of these so you guys can see. I'm not gonna put a category. I'm just gonna show you guys once again how to do it. This is very simple, and then I'm gonna move on to how you make it. If you want to be a little bit more creative, put your little creative juices in it, you know, just to make an envelope. If you don't want to just buy one, you know, because this is like very easy. It's still, you know, a little tedious by putting the letters on there. If you just want to write on there, you could go ahead, but this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to be a little bit, you know, creative. So it's really up to you how you want to tweak your cash envelopes. Remember, this is your cash envelopes. You have to look at this every time you open this planner. So make it to where you want to look at it. Okay, you know, whatever you want it to be. All right, this is you. Okay, so you don't have to do it like this. All right, you could do it the way you want to do it. Okay, just remember that. Okay. All right, so I'm going to fast forward and I'm going to do this one. Okay. And again, all you need is some envelopes, and you need some of these letters, and then you need a hole puncher so you can punch it into whatever planner that you have, whether it's mini or a bigger planner. And you need some scissors, and you need some washi tape, and you should be good. Okay, and again, you can write it in. Also, if you don't have the letters, that's fine. If it's not in your budget, I understand, because I'm on a budget too, Bill. Okay, all right, so that's basically about that. So we're gonna speed it up, and then I'm gonna show you the other envelopes. Okay. Now we are back. Now this is the other part where you make your own envelope. Okay, these holes are kind of freaking me out, but good for the YouTube. Okay, all right, so it's just a regular envelope that I just made with this, okay, and put it like this. And I use tape because it's the type of material that it is, so that is why. And so this is fairly easy, but again, this is if you want to be a little bit more in your creativity space type deal, and you don't want to be lazy, you don't want to, you know, because these cost about 69 cents, or I believe this was like $1 and some change. So if you want to spend less money and just buy a couple of these and call it a day, that's cool. All right, so since I had this out, I'm going to use this, okay? And I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make an envelope, all right? So you guys will see, and I'm going to come back. I'm going to speed this forward, and so you guys will see. And you will need some glue, because this type of material need glue. Maybe some tape, so get some tape just in case you need to tape up something, but I'm not sure. And then you'll need your hole puncher. You'll need some scissors. And that's basically it about that, okay? So I don't even know where my tape is. See, when I start doing my creativity stuff, I'm always losing something. So hopefully I don't need the tape and I'll just need this, okay? So that's basically about that. All right, so here we go, you guys. So there you have it. You have your nice envelope where you put the money in, okay? So let me show you guys the money so you can put the money in. So let me get this $1 here. Put the money in here, bam. Even if it don't fit, just fold it a little bit. That's what I do with those envelopes, fold a little bit. And you have your money in there. Let's see, hold on. See, there you go. And there it is. You have your nice little envelope, and you basically is going to put the hole puncher. You're going to put the holes in there. Put it through here. Got your holes here. Then we're going to see if it fits. It does, but just to be on the safe side, okay? Open it up. And it does. And you have your other envelope, your other cash envelope, okay? And that's basically it about that, y'all. It's not that hard. All right, so you just want to make sure that everything is good. This is nice. All you needed was the glue for this. Again, if you use this type of material, you're going to have to use tape, okay? So get you some glue and or some tape. If you don't like the glue, you can use tape for this. But using the glue is a little bit more easier because you're just taping the sides and you're basically done. You're cutting the excess paper off and you're done, okay? And that's basically it, you guys. So we're done with the envelopes. Those are the cash envelopes that we did. We did 2 different envelopes. We did it this way and we did it that way. So whichever way that you prefer is really up to you, to your liking, or what your creativity ability is at the moment, and things of that nature. But I think these 2 are pretty fairly easy for you to do if you just look at this video step by step. And that's basically it. So I hope I was clear when I showed this video, because I thought I was kind of all over the place, but I hope you found this helpful. helpful. And these are your cash envelopes to put your cash in here, to use your cash very wisely for the certain categories that you put the cash in for. Okay, you guys? All right, that's basically it, you guys. I hope you found this helpful, and happy budgeting. If you have any questions, comment, concerns, please don't ask. Come to the advance marketing 1970. You're welcome. Thank you for watching. Peace. Bye.